Hello everyone, myself Jay Joshi. I am from Sunshine Films and Television and Entertainment. आज मैं काफ़ी समय बाद, बहुत लंबे समय के बाद आप सभी के बीच आया हूँ आप लोग से थोड़ी बहुत बात करने के लिए। और मैं जानता हूँ कि काफ़ी कुछ बातें हुई थी आप लोग के साथ, और काफ़ी लोग से मैं संपर्क में भी रहा था इस बीच में हमारे अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेके। बट बीच में अचानक से मेरा किसी को कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पाया, किसी को रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाया, क्योंकि मेरी जो तबीयत थी वो बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी। कुछ फीवर हो गया था मुझे, और भी बहुत सारे काइंड ऑफ अभी जैसे कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, और भी कुछ सिम्टम्स तो थे। बट इट्स ओके, नाउ आई एम बिट फाइन एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेल, एंड आई डोंट हैव एनी मोर सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोरोना वायरस। So finally I have decided to come along, to come and chat with all of you, and things which I will speak with all of you is that we are our country has reached around 15,35,000 approx till now. We have 35,000 cases in India, and it's not just me, but all over India. We know, every one of us know that we are not going through good times, and the main issue which nowadays I am seeing in social activities and all big celebrities are promoting, which is regarding mental awareness, healthcare. So even I would also like to suggest you some few of things. See friends, let me make all of you very clear regarding mental healthness. Sorry, I would like to say that we have seen many examples of people going into depression, facing many critical problems, and they are just giving up their life. This is not good, I understand, but this is not good. This is not we should do, or we should react with our life. Just think about our loved ones. So the issue is just be very practical. Suppose, for example, if there is any problem, then there is also a solution to it. And if there is not a solution of your problem or my problem or anyone's problem, then what's the issue? और you can say टेंशन लेके क्या फ़ायदा, क्या कर सकोगे? Just giving up life is not the way. Even if you have given up your life, is this the solution? No, this is not the solution, but this becomes the problem of other life. So please take care and don't do all such activities, or try to attempt suicide or any other things. And now again I have received a few messages and questions regarding the selection process in Sunshine Films and Television. When I was about to conduct few of interviews which I could not, but it will take some time because cases are growing, and in West Bengal and Kolkata we know what is the position, and we have also got the extension of lockdown till 31 of August, and there will be a complete we have got the schedule, at least twice 2 days a week we will have lockdown. We have got the schedule from our government, so we will have to manage and function our work accordingly and properly as per the schedule given by our government. So I will let you know, all of you, about it. Till then, if you have any queries or any questions regarding selection process, regarding shooting, audition, interview, anything, if you have any questions or doubt, you can contact me on my number 98304 only WhatsApp, please, no calling. Till then, just take care, stay safe, see you soon.